to hold it all together, kept the cracks out of the light. Told the world I had it handled, never let them see the fight. But the pressure kept on rising and the mask began to slip. When the heartbreak split me open, truth came pouring through the ribs.
I thought breaking was the ending, but it's where the healing starts. When the pieces fall around you, love can finally reach your heart.
I was broken open and the light came rushing in. All the hurt I've been holding, turn to wisdom on the wind. I was broken open and I learned to breathe again. When the soul gets shattered, that's how the spirit mends. I used to run from all my shadows, tried to keep the pain at bay. Thought the tears made me weaker, so I locked them all away.
But the moment I surrendered and let everything collapse, I heard mercy in the ruins, felt compassion in the cracks.
And the voice I've been avoiding finally spoke into my chest.
You don't grow through staying guarded, you grow when you confess. I was broken open and the light came rushing in. All the hurt I've been holding, turn to wisdom on the wind. I've been broken open and I learned to breathe again. The soul gets shattered, that's how the spirit mends. Let it fall, let it fall. You don't need to stand so tall. Every tear, every call is a doorway after all. Let it break, let it break. Every wound becomes a way, and the love you thought was gone was a love you couldn't take. I was broken open.